just another video. I'm trying to learn Python in some different ways by recording a video of me learning it. I'm not teaching anyone. I'm not instructing anybody. I upload video on YouTube, so maybe I could get some suggestions or ideas from people, or maybe just because I feel more focused and dedicated to when recording a video. So I'm just trying that. You don't need to like, don't need to subscribe, just comment if you can help. Well, we've learned a lot in the last like 2 weeks. No, 1 week. This is the fifth video. So I'm trying to solve some challenges from the very easy one. Okay, I think let's just continue. Write a function that takes an integer minutes and convert it to a second. Okay. Code. What is the test? Okay. Return is time 60. Check. Okay, hit send. I should check no solution, but yeah, nothing special. So for some context, I'm an undergraduate student majoring in biology. You may ask why I'm that learning biology while learning Python. I'm trying to dive into the bioinformatics, machine learning for computational biology. I try to deep dive into that, and I've never learned a coding language before, so learning from other people, I think that Python should be a good one to start with, and then with Pylens, Py something, R, Jupyter Notebook, something like that. So yeah, I'm trying to learn Python. I just learned for like 2 weeks, 1 week before I record my first video. Create a function that takes a list containing only numbers and return the first element. Oh, okay. Return number list 0, like that. This one I think we should check out the solution. Lambda, okay. X in list, return -1. What? So what's the point? Okay. Oh, I forgot to open GPT. People say don't use GPT. You need some time to process the challenges. I didn't use GPT to solve challenge. I use it to provide me some theory, like what is join list, or what is some code do, like this lambda. I don't know what lambda is. I don't know what lambda did, so I use GPT. Just little pep talk and do some small talk between challenges. Create a function that takes the number of wins, draws, and loses. It calculates the number of points a football team has obtained so far. So win, draw, and lose. Win get 3, draw get 1, lose get 0. Inputs inputs will be number greater than or equal to 0. It always be. So just make that def I mean should make it more a bit more complicated. Try to enjoy coding, not speed running it. So input has to be greater than 0 if for I while I smaller than it's not a list. That's not a list. I want to check that. A 1 wins, draw, and loses, not like negative number. If wins smaller than 0, it should be return input need to be greater than 0. Need to be uh, 0. Just make that. If draws, okay, I don't know how can I do it faster. If loses smaller than 0, return okay, else return wins time 3. Plus draw time 1 plus don't care about lose. Check. Right, but I want to check more. Okay, that's the function. Football point minus 1, no, 0, 0, minus 1. Input need to be greater than 0. Okay. 0 minus 1. Oh shit. Close all. Input need to be greater than 0. Input need to be greater than 0. 3, 1, 3. 10. Okay. That works. I mean, I could just return the value. Yeah, like this. Total 0. Yeah. You just don't need as much else. Can you shorten this one? You can collapse the three checks and avoid repeating the return, if any. Oh, for x in, yeah. Let's try it. Sorry. Check, wait. So we create a tuple for x in. It, a tuple should be good, right? For x in, if x smaller than 0, return, shit. Input need to be 0. They need to break. So I saw the issue that if I put my negative number, two of them, like minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, it was there will be three output of input need to be greater than 0. Return wins time 3 plus draws. In this function, no. GPT equals okay, now it works. Okay, I already see the problem. We just check it, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. No. Hmm. Just 1. Okay. 3 3 3. How about this? Okay, so that works. Okay, Boolean to string conversion. Create a function that takes a Boolean variable flag and return it as a string. Boolean to string. Don't forget to return if you guess the yike flag. Return str flag. Whoa. No fast. That was fast.
Rác có tắm rửa gì tắm rửa đi con.
Sao con không tắm?
Ờ. Mẹ là đến tập lái chân tay ấy cũng mỏi.
Vâng. Okay, that took a long time. Cool. Create a function that checks to see if two object arguments are equal to another. If two object arguments are equal to one another, return true if objects are equal. Okay, so make it a library, right? No? Wait. See if object 1 equals to object 2. Why suddenly so much uh complicate? I fucked up. Well, let's just try it. Object 1. So object 1 is a dictionary, right? Let me x equal type x. Yeah, it's a dictionary. So what's a dictionary do? It can change, right? So here we try to see if ooh, object 1, object 2. Okay. Now that's harder. Yeah, check if the name, check if the number. Oh, that's very hard. Okay, so first question: how how can it be equal? Like, let's say name. How to say? Okay, name. G. My name is G. It should be a string G. Y. So name G. X equal E. Shit. When X equal E. No. Is X equal E. X E. How do we say things are? How do we know if things equal or not? Shit. Hmm. True. Okay, it is true. Will I put numbers, phone? Let's try. No. Oh, it has to be. Why are we so few challenge every day? Buddy, I'm here to. Is it for free? You get it? Can I get back to the problem? Yes, I can. Hmm. Return x equal e. Fuck off. Okay, I didn't plan to work on Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. Macro hard. Oh, buddy, buddy. You're not letting me doing it right. Cube. Exponent of 3. Cube A. Return. Fuck. No? Really? My trial is over? Yeah, my profile. Jeez. Bro. Oh my god. Okay, I understand that you need to pay for better education. When you first start, you can try some initial challenges without paying the gifts of taste. No longer free. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, damn, it was fun, but not anymore. Okay, what can I use? free code cap. No, no. Introduction to Python. Was Python? Which library are common? Panda. How is Python used in embedded system and IoT? I don't know. A power game engine. Maybe it runs on microcomputer. Yeah, why not? Which Python framework are used in web development? Framework. Framework? Which Python framework like Django, Fast API? Check my answer. No. It helps build smart device. Finally, Python development run well on microcomputer like Raspberry Pi. It asks that how is Python used in embedded system? Was it embedded? Cool. Huh. How do you install? I mean, yeah, I've already installed it. Path. How can you get path added automatically by checking add to path? What kind of file you download while installing Python for Windows? What? You can verify. You start downloading Windows executable exe. How do you declare a variable and what are naming conventions to name variable? How do you declare a variable? This. Which of these is not a rule for naming variable? Variable must start with a letter or an underscore. Is it? Number doesn't work. Like 1a equal. No, not the rule. Variable name a case insensitive. No. Why should you avoid using single letter variable name? I mean, yeah, you can still use that. No problem, but yeah. Avoid to use is very common in Python but should be avoided because variable name with a single letter communicate no purpose of meaning. Okay. How does a print function work? See, it doesn't have like some sort of no. Bro, what? Huh? Oh, okay. It is separate like this. Sep. First line, second line, third line. Yeah, we can use /n. That's something. Why does the following code print all the values on the same line with space? Because string automatically join together with separator. Because separating values with commas in hello world. What is the purpose of the quotation mark? It defines a string. Sheesh. What are common data types in Python, and how did you get the type of a variable? Okay. So simple. String, integer. Float number. A string var. Boolean. List. We have a lot here. List, tuple, dictionary, set. A set is a set is a dictionary, but simpler. Huh. Ugh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, we've gone through all that. It's instance. Okay. Function. Greet name. Age. SCR. Return. Oh. Do we need to use this one? Hmm. Let's try that. understand that. It's the same, right? Yeah. Mm. Okay. Okay, what's this one? How do you work with string? Okay, multi-line. Oh, okay. F string. Laying. No others. Concatenate. What is concatenate? Ah, plus. How do you define multi-line string? This one. How do you extract a specific portion of a string? Use square bracket. What are some common string methods? That's a lot. Python provides a number of built-in methods that make working with strings a breeze. They include, but are not limited to, upper, lower, strip, replace, no, split, what if, uh, what if I make an input, anything, input, type, anything, anything. Okay, that's an input. I'll make a function. No, no need to make a function. Anything should be um, turn every letter to D. Now that's a project. Okay. Turn every letter to D. So first I need an input. Ay. First I need an input. I need to know how many character in there. X equal 1 length x so we need to turn it to string. First, how long should be laying str anything? That's lane. So after we get a lane, we should make it for while we need to make global first while r equals 0, smaller than how long? Replace oh well should make it str in the first place. What is it? Replace, yeah. Anything replace D with a letter, right? Oh, we need to type over anything I new is D, then I plus 1. Return 0. No. Return. Ah. Print anything. Aha. Now let's try it. QTerminal. I need a CMD. Wait, okay. CD D Python. Python copy.py. Type anything. My name is Sam. Oh shit, what happened? Oh, I forgot. Oh no. If I replace anything with anything replace, so it, it like non-stop, right? Say replace D, so I should split it. But split it. Let's split it first. So if I split, it will give me a list. That should be good enough. Anything list split list anything split should just be space. There's a list now. My mission is to turn every word to D. So I don't know how many words are there. Word or comma. I think that's word, right? Huh? Let's try it. Print split list. My name is Zen. Motherfucker. Oh, I haven't saved yet. The fuck. My name is Zen. Shit. How about now? What? Okay, how about now? Okay. Now turn every bit of that to D. For X in split list. Shit. How can we break it down, turn everything to D, and combine? That's some good project. I mean, I have to end this video now. I have a meeting to attend. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any suggestion ideas, as I said before, please comment down below. Say to me. I really appreciate it. I'll try to work on this. Turn every word to the D project, and show you guys in the next video. Well, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.